And so, I have no doubt that this project of the Balangay ng Pilipino will succeed. Wala akong duda, mga kasama. That's the way of the Pinoys. Even in times of crisis, we are resilient. We are even optimistic. Because that's the way we were raised. That's the way we were brought up. We have those genes inside us. And that is manifested by our history of long struggle against our colonial masters. 330 years under the Spaniards. 46 years in Hollywood with Uncle Sam. And 3.5 years of a brutal Japanese occupation. And that's why the Filipino is like that. Resilient. Marunong sumayaw. Marunong din makaisa. Kung ang mamamayan ay dumadaan sa kahirapan at kakipitan. You've been through all of that. And so this project now that is about to be launched, we're all part of it. We hope, we are certain it will succeed. Kaya kung talagang kaya natin ito, mga kasama, sumigaw tayo, todo-todo, sabay-sabay, malakas. Yugyugin natin itong lumang tolda na ito. Paksakin natin dahil sa lakas ng ating sigaw. At ito ay dapat paringin sa kasulug-sulugan ng buong Pilipinas at saka sa buong mundo. Lalo na sa Malacanang, sa Senado, sa House of Representatives, saka sa buong mundo. May isang pa, mga kasama. Team, get ready. Kaya ba natin ito? Kaya! Yan na, tamang saklayo. Don't worry. Bumagsak yan, agad papalitan eh. Congressman Don Miswari. Yung na, akala mo eh, pumasok na sa party list si Brother Nore. At papalitan din ni Pangulong Gloria Arroyo. Okay? Okay. We are going to succeed? Yes! Because, hindi mamaya pa. Because of our unity, our solidarity, and our teamwork. Nabanggit ko na yun. Remember those 3 words, ha? UST. Unity of purpose. Isang hangarin. Solidarity in values. Yeah. We are together in wanting good governance. And teamwork in nation building. Everybody contributes. But please remember also 3 other small words. Caring, sharing, daring. Okay? Caring, sharing, not easy enough for Filipinos to do because we're naturally friendly, hospitable, compassionate, helpful, generous, asa mga sponsors? Generous. Ay, salamat sa inyo lahat, generous. At saka daring. Pero yung daring is something else. Because that means to give more than to receive, di ba? That's what the Quran and the Bible says. It is more blessed to give than to receive. It is daring that applies to that. Daring also means to take united action in order to succeed. Ito na ngayon eh, nasa Balangay sila eh. They're all taking concerted action. And daring also means to sacrifice for the common good. Ito, malaking sakripisyo ito para sa team. Malaki rin sakripisyo para sa generous supporters, patrons, donors. Malaking sakripisyo rin para sa Coast Guard, Navy, Armed Forces. Sakripisyo rin para sa local government units and the people that are all there. But we have done it before. During those 3 periods I mentioned, 330 years of Spanish colonial history. And we learned how to pray together. We learned how to be respectful to elders. We learned a common religion. Under the Americans, we learned how to be better than Hollywood. How to sing and dance. How to be artista. Dahil natin maging artista, nagiging presidente pa tayo, di ba? And how to appear on television. Kapogi. Galing natin dyan. After 3 years in the Japanese prison camp, paghihirap, sakripisyo na naman. They are not afraid of death. They have the world or nationwide guerrilla resistance movement. And eventually, we regain our freedom. Ganyan tayo. So, caring, sharing, daring. Unity, solidarity, teamwork. Ito pong caring, sharing, daring. Madaling tandaan yan para sa mga Pinoy kasi pangalan ng tatlong magagandang Pilipina yan eh. Diba? Si Karing. Meron tayong Karing dito eh. Karina, meron yun. Si Karing. Meron doon. At saka si Charing. Oh, Charing. Charing. Pero din ito pangalan yan. Charing. Charing Caridad. Charing. Sharing. Sharon. Okay. At saka Daring. Daring. Caridad. Salvadora. Asa si Daring. Asa ka? Okay, Noel. No, si Noel. Ganun yan eh. If you talk to our overseas workers in that manner, na caring, sharing, daring, tuhan nila agad. Because among them, individually, we have those names. Karing, Charing, at saka si Daring. And collectively, they have this spirit. They are also adventurers out there. So dear friends, to me, what I have just said is what this all means in a higher sense. As patriotic Filipinos, it's really very important to all of us. And so tonight, thank you for giving me the privilege of giving you the message. But I thank you more for being a part of this very important project. Maraming salamat po. Kaya natin.